Hi, Tony from Bathroom Spare Parts here again. Today we're looking at a Viega Filling Valve Set 786090. This one actually comes with a braided hose, as you can see, which is nice and useful for you. First thing to do with this Viega valve is to take this clip off here. Then that you can get this cover off. Right, so next is to undo the float little rod. Makes life a bit easier. That could hang down there. This is where it gets nice and fiddly. So you can see there's a long prong and a short prong. These need to be unhooked from the chamber, which popped off quite easy that time. And then in here, this has to be turned. Oh, that's gone a bit easy as well. That's that. That's that, and there's that washer there. And just when you're putting this back, I'm not sure the camera will pick it up, but there's a lug right down the bottom there. Let me see, and there's a lug. Hopefully you can see that on the yellow there. And that needs to sit in there and end up in that lug. Then the locking mechanism goes back, which is twist up till it's level. Then this pops back on again. Eventually that goes on. And then the float. It's all working correctly. You've got the cover. And then a clip at the end. Like so.